Nicknamed the Bone, the B-1B Lancer is a long-range, multi-mission, supersonic conventional bomber, which has served the United States Air Force since 1985. The aircraft is on track to continue flying at current demanding operations tempo out to 2040 and beyond, and Boeing partners with the Air Force to keep the B-1 mission ready. Originally designed for nuclear capabilities, the B-1 switched to an exclusively conventional combat role in the mid-1990s. In 1999, during Operation Allied Force, 6 B-1s flew 2% of the strike missions, yet dropped 20% of the ordnance, and during Operation Enduring Freedom the B-1 flew on 2% of the sorties while dropping over 40% of the precision weapons. The B-1 is a highly versatile, multi-mission weapon system. The B-1B synthetic aperture radar is capable of tracking, targeting and engaging moving vehicles as well as self-targeting and terrain-following modes. In addition, an extremely accurate global positioning system-aided inertial navigation system enables aircrews to navigate without the aid of ground-based navigation aids as well as engage targets with a high level of precision. The addition of a fully integrated data link, FIDL, with Link 16 capability provides improved battlefield situation awareness and secure beyond line-of-sight reach-back connectivity. In a time-sensitive targeting environment, the aircrew can use targeting data received from the Combined Air Operations Center or other command and control assets to strike emerging targets rapidly and efficiently. B-1 carrying the largest conventional payload of both guided and unguided weapons in the Air Force inventory, the multi-mission B-1 is the backbone of America's long-range bomber force. It can rapidly deliver massive quantities of precision and non-precision weapons against any adversary, anywhere in the world, at any time. The B-1B's blended wing, body configuration, variable geometry wings and turbofan afterburning engines combine to provide long-range maneuverability and high speed while enhancing survivability. Forward wing settings are used for takeoff, landings, air refueling and in some high-altitude weapons employment scenarios. Aft wing sweep settings, the main combat configuration, are typically used during high subsonic and supersonic flight, enhancing the B-1B's maneuverability in the low and high altitude regimes. The B-1B's speed and superior handling characteristics allow it to seamlessly integrate in mixed force packages. These capabilities, when combined with its substantial payload, excellent radar targeting system, long loiter time and survivability, make the B-1B a key element of any joint composite strike force. The B-1B's onboard self-protection electronic jamming equipment, radar warning receiver, AEL-Q161, and expendable countermeasures, chaff and flare, system and a towed decoy system, AEL-E50, complements its low radar cross-section to form an integrated, robust defense system that supports penetration of hostile airspace. The AEL-Q161 electronic countermeasure system detects and identifies the full spectrum of adversary threat emitters, then applies the appropriate jamming technique either automatically or through operator inputs. Current modifications build on this foundation. Radar sustainability and capability upgrades will provide a more reliable system and may be upgraded in the future to include an ultra-high resolution capability and automatic target recognition. The addition of Link 16 and FIDL combined with associated cockpit upgrades will provide the crew with a much more flexible, integrated cockpit and will allow the B-1 to operate in the fast-paced integrated battlefield of the future. Several obsolete and hard to maintain electronic systems are also being replaced to improve aircraft reliability.